and we are back in the studio. Yes, we've been out and about in Tampa at Social Status again. Shout out to Social Status. Little salty. I didn't hit for retail for the Air Jordan 1 Union, but it's all good. It's all great. I paid the extra. It's fine. Paid $50 on top. I'm not mad about it. It's cool. It's whatever. But I got them. And here's the first shoe. They did a raffle, live raffle. Now, to me, I'm gonna be honest. I think it was lame because we had 5 to 6 people that came super early. But he did tell me that it was gonna be a live raffle. So coming first come first serve shouldn't have been on my mind anyway. But it seemed like it would have been more so like that if it was only a certain amount of people. So beforehand, it wasn't enough people. Before it was only a certain amount of people and we would have been straight for a first come first serve, and then all the people started showing up, like 17 people, so it became a live raffle. I didn't hit for the live raffle. It's all good. My homies hit. I paid my boy Block extra $50 for my pair. So shout out to Block 813. Y'all go follow him. Run the blog. They dope with everything they do. I got my size. And yeah, bro, I'm ready to open these joints up. I've seen a lot of pairs online. First things first, I do wish they would have gave us that same type of box they gave the other unions. This box is very slim. This box is very flimsy. But it is what it is. It is what it is, man. Box label reads my fault. Box label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. SP colorway is black, white, varsity red, nor varsity rogue, and blanc. It is a size 11. Here's the box label right there for y'all to see. All blacked out box. Maybe it's just a nod to Fragment, but I wish we would have got that same type of box we got. I wish we would have got that same type of box that we got with all the other unions. I'm not going to do a crazy review of this joint. I'm just going to do something quick and then maybe do another review on the backside of this. So, woo! Union paper right here. It is like blue. It says Air Jordan 1 Union Fragment. Double layered. Yes, sir. I'm going to go ahead and just pull out one. Smell the leather. You can smell the leather through the paper. Woo! Crazy, y'all. Crazy. Now, yeah, wow. Yeah, dog. Boom, we have it here. The Air Jordan 1 Fragment Union and Jordan collab. I'm going to dub these the black toe. That's the only thing I could think of calling these because it has the black toe layout. And then you have, like, obviously the Fragment joint right here. It is embossed. Yeah, it is embossed. It's not like a little small stamp or anything. It is embossed. Loving everything about that. I think I like the black toe the most out of all three that came out. The royal blue colorway is fire as well. They're growing on me. I would love to get those for retail, but it looks like that is out of option. It did come with extra laces. We got I think a black and red pair and a black and gold pair in the box. Gonna leave these in the box. Not gonna take all this out at the moment. But yeah, bro, overall in hand, very good. Dang, hitting the dang mic. This is the paper that came in the shoe. Now retail on this joint I think was like $215, so they came to like $225. Like I said, I paid the extra like $55. It is what it is. Call it a day. Because I waited so late. A guy waited since 2 a.m. and didn't hit. He thought it was a first come first serve, bro. So it was sad to see him just leave like that, bro. I would have had to pay the resale because I would have needed it. I would have been leaving with something. Like Denzel say, I'm from around the way and I'm leaving with something. So that's why I just say, you know what? It is what it is. I'll pull the trigger and I grab these. Prices is still fairly straight. Like I wear 11, they're going for like 300. They were going for 261 earlier. So $300 isn't a big crazy difference, but I would say you never know. I think they're going to stay at that price range. Crazy enough, Wolf Grade 5s is going for more than these, but definitely in person, way better. Now, I'm going to be honest. I will say because I have the Storm Blue already, These definitely are giving me that kind of vibe because I literally have the red and blue and the storm blue. Yeah, either way it go, doesn't matter. Dope shoe. Loved what they did with this. The blues are totally different from the storm blue, so that's the good thing about it. You do have the sole right there. You do have all your little details, which says SP26 MNJDLS 473 Chris Horishi, tooling code AJ1 NTFBP 207. Same old, y'all. If you saw Union before, it did come with the same type of insole, so it's nothing crazy about that. And then this is the inside for anybody. But overall, this shoe is great. I like the way it looks. Probably going to be even better on feet. Now, I don't know if the letter's going to match up to the Storm Blue, because off rip, it feels really good. Maybe when you wear them in, they'll feel even better, but it does feel good at first glance, and the feel and the touch, it is really good. Black swoosh on both sides. Yeah, bro, this is good. I don't want to keep this video too long, so let me go ahead and show y'all the Stranger Things, but yeah, this is the one I copped at $280 at social status. Again, a little salty, but hey, it is what it is. We done been there, we done that, but we have it in hand.